We are here in Disney's Grand Californian lobby. It is bright and early. We are doing early entry. Today is Monday, and we have been assigned because now you have a specific park that you have to go to for early entry. We are headed into Disney California Adventure. We are going to go line up for security so that we are one of the first ones in the park, and we take advantage of that 30 minutes we have as a hotel guest. There are two entrances that you can use. There is a private entrance as guests to Disney California Adventure, and it takes you and puts you out over by Grizzly River Run. Or you can take the security that drops you off into downtown Disney, and then you go up to the front gate. And we want to be up by the front gate because our first ride that we're going to do this morning is Guardians of the Galaxy. We are lined up here. These are the first people at security at this particular entrance, and we're lined up here. We're going to be one of the first ones in, and we're going to head over to the front gates. And this is security. It does not open until 7. And it is 6:35 right now. When you check into the Grand, so on the day that you check in, you can actually use your early entry. So we got to the Grand at 6 a.m. so that we could check in. Our room is not ready, and that's okay, but we've stored our luggage, and we are actually here in line at security. Security does not open until 7 a.m., but we are in line. It's about 6:40. And we're gonna get in, then we're gonna go down to the other security spot, or to the gates, and go into Disney California Adventure and start our day and take advantage of every of those 30 minutes of our early entry that we get as hotel guests. All right, it's 7:02 and we are through security. So we went through security back there at the Grand, and we are now in downtown Disney. We are walking through downtown Disney. We are headed to the gates for Disney California Adventure. We're gonna line up at the gates, and then we get to get in the parks. They'll open the gates a little bit before 7:30, and then as hotel guests, we get to start riding on attractions, only select attractions, at 7:30. Now, today's Monday, and today is the day that hotel guests can go to Disney California Adventure. This recently changed. Early entry recently changed, and you're assigned a park. So every day is a different day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday is Disney California Adventure. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you get in early to Disneyland. We are here for early entry! Yay! We are here at the front gates of Disney California Adventure. They are lining up here. They already let people in behind me over here. This is the security off of Harbor. So people are here, and they're lined up also over at Disneyland. Disneyland and Disney California Adventure, they'll open their gates at 7:30, even though the parks don't officially open until 8. You want to be here by 7:30, and we're in, and everyone's super excited. We are here for early entry. It's about 7:25, and they let us in the gates. We're going to go get lined up for early entry, and our first ride is going to be Guardians. If you don't want to do Guardians, you can do Web Slingers, because I don't do Guardians. But we're going to have so much fun today. We are like the first ones here. We're going to go find the early entry sign, and we are going to get on our first attraction. And there's Uncle Stan! Here we are, standing, waiting for early entry. Yes, okay, so they let us in for early entry, and we're actually stopped right there. Those are the rope droppers, but we're gonna go through at 7:30. They're gonna let us in. We're gonna go on Guardians. But if you don't want to go on Guardians, you can go on Web Slingers, but there's only certain attractions that are open during early entry. So my aunt just asked, how come the other people aren't going? Look at all the people over there. They're just standing there because they don't have early entry. So those of us who have early entry are going this way. Here we go. These are all the early entry guests headed to, most of them, Guardians of the Galaxy. It looks like Guardians is not open. So we're going to pivot, and everyone's going to Web Slingers. Here we are on our first ride, Web Slingers. All right, so we just got off Web Slingers, and now we are trying to walk quickly over to Radiator Springs Racers. It is not open during early entry, but we want to be the first ones in line. We want to be the people who are waiting right now for rope drop. So the goal is to get over to Racers before 8. So we have an empty Cars Land. People are waiting over there for rope drop. These are all people who have early entry, and they're coming over and doing exactly what we're doing, getting in line for Racers now. It'll open at 8. We made it to the line, Cars. We are in Radiator Springs Racers line. We are just walking. We are moving. They let us on before 8 o'clock, and I'll tell you how long it takes. But this is this attraction you want to be in line if you have early entry before 8 a.m. Uncle Stan, is that right?
Yes, you got to get here early, and she knows everything.
Uncle Stan, how long have we been in this line? Like 20, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So the ride broke down,
It
right?
would have been 20, 30 minutes, but she got us right to the front. I mean,
Oh, right. I wish it had the ride.
very good.
Yes, good at what I do, right?
She's tremendous.
So the ride did have a small little hiccup, and so we've been in the line for about 25 minutes, but we are right up here at the front. So this will be our second attraction, but this is where you want to go if you have early entry, just before the regular park guests go to this attraction. Here we are in the line for Radiator Springs Racers. We did head here. We got in line about 7:55. The ride broke down. It was down for about 15 minutes. We are back moving though. It's just after 8:30, so we'll be able to get on this ride and then get going the rest of our day. But you definitely want to cross this one off your list in the morning if you have early entry. Have fun! Have fun! Look at this crew back here. We got a whole clan of them. Wave! Have fun! Wave! Wave, everyone! Have fun! Yeah! Woohoo! Here we go! Here we go! We just got off Radiator Springs Racers. We had such a great time. The kids loved it. There were some first timers. Now we are heading through Cars Land. We're going to go this back way over to Incredicoaster because it's only a 5-minute wait. We are right here by the Incredicoaster. We've got some in our party that are going to go on the Incredicoaster. It's only a 10-minute wait. The rest of us is going to go over here to Jesse's Critter Carousel and ride that, and then we're all going to hop on Toy Story. Hi, Woody! Howdy, partner! Look at these little cute boys meeting Woody. Oh, yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, waiting just inside Woody, Buzz, and all of my fellow toys.
Next up is Toy Story Midway Mania. It's only a 20-minute wait. We are heading around the pier. We are headed over to Goofy Sky School. Again, we're with a large group, so we have a lot of age range. We're trying to do something for everyone. We're going to go over here and do Goofies and then make our way on the other side of the pier and finish up as much as we can here. We can hop over to Disneyland at 11. I'm not sure when there's the Incredicoaster, what time we'll actually park up, but the plan is to do as much as we can over here this morning. Next up, Goofy Sky School. And it says it's about a 20-minute wait.
Personal belongings. Once again, prior to boarding, we ask you to please remove that, put away all hats, characters, cell phones, and other personal belongings.
Here we go! Yay! Woohoo! Goofy Sky School! Ah, it's so goofy! Another attraction everyone can go on. Golden Zephyr.
Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. I hope we can do this. Now that's an amazing Spider-Man. Yeah, I did that! I did that!
There are 2 security spots to get into the park, like I mentioned yesterday. So we're here for early entry. We've got this spot here. This is the spot that takes you right directly in by Grizzly River Run. This security spot does not open until about 7:15, 7:20. So we're gonna go this way, like I did the other morning. And depending on where you are staying at the resort, but you wanna go be in the lobby and you want to get to the security that takes you to downtown Disney. They start opening at 7 a.m. So that's going to be your best advantage. And then it puts you out by the front gates, and then that's where you go in for early entry. Well, and that's where you go in for rope drop, but I like to use this entrance because it opens the earliest. So here we are, seeing the lobby. We're gonna go through the lobby, and then we've got down over here, we're gonna go this direction, head out to this security point out there. Down here. And we're going out this direction. So this is the way you want to go. This is the security point that you want to exit in the morning because it opens at 7. There's the same amount of people as that were in that other line, but again, this security opens at 7. So this is the one you want to take. It takes you right out to downtown Disney.
Good morning from a very foggy Esplanade. We are here for early entry again. Today, early entry is not at Disneyland. So those people up there lining up, they're gonna get into Disneyland about 7:30, and then the ropes will drop at 8. Some of us over here, there is no specific line, like I've said before. We are lined up, we've got rope droppers and we've got early entry people. So they'll start letting us in about 7:20, 7:25. And those that are here for early entry will go to a separate spot in the park to go through. You just show your room key or you show your reservation in the app that you are staying on property. The rest of these people who are regular day guests, they will get stopped at the rope and then they'll let them in at 8. All right, so again, I came to here this morning rather than lining up over by Grizzly River Run, which is the private entrance from Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. But I don't recommend that location because it doesn't open up as early as the location we went through the lobby like I showed you. It is 7:22. We just went through the gates and we are headed over to line up for Guardians of the Galaxy. In the morning, there are not all the attractions are open for early entry, but we are headed to Guardians, and then the little ones we're going to take on Monsters Inc. while they're on that attraction. You could also go to Web Slingers, you can go to Incredicoaster, Soarin'. I'll put a list in the description of all of the attractions that are open during early entry in each park. Half our group went that way to Guardians. We, with the stroller and the kiddos, are going this way to Monsters Inc. And we're gonna hop on to Monsters Inc. because it is open during early entry. Pass off the kiddos, they're going with grandma. Stroller parking over there. Monsters Inc. right here. And it is 7:30. We're gonna go right on here because this is open during early entry. We are in Monsters Inc. So great option when you have a big group and not everyone can go on, or maybe they don't want to go on Guardians. Like, I don't love Guardians because it makes me sick. I used to be able to go on Guardians, but not anymore. So we're gonna go on Monsters and then we're gonna go meet because we want to go on Cars. Get over there for early entry. It's not open during early entry to get over there before the regular guests, because early entry guests, we can be over there before the other rope dropping guests. Just got off of Monsters Inc. and we're gonna go around here by Guardians, see if they're off the ride yet. They probably aren't quite yet, but it is open. On Monday when we came, it was not open at early entry and we had some pretty bummed kids and adults. So this morning we did Monsters. We're gonna go see if we can maybe get on Mater's before we go over to Racers. Radiator Springs Racers is not open during early entry, but we wanna get in line before the regular rope dropping guests go get in that line to avoid a long line. All right, Guardians of the Galaxy is open today, so they are on that ride right now. So glad it was open at early entry. It's about 7:48 and the park is not officially open, and Racers is not open during early entry, but they will let you, if you're here during early entry, go get in the line and get in the line, and then at 8 o'clock they will open up the attraction. So we just had half the group went to Guardians, the rest of us went to Monsters Inc. We are over here waiting for them. We just got word that they got off of Guardians. They're headed over here and we're gonna go get in line for Racers. I'll let you know how long it takes. And just like that, we're on the ride. It's only 8:16.
Oh, I like the smell. Nice.
Some of our party again is going here to Incredicoaster. The rest of us are going to come over here to Jesse's Critter Carousel with the littles in the stroller. With the little ones, we're going to go on this attraction. It's perfect for them. Lucas, Brady, what are we going to go on? We going to go on the carousel? Yeah? Where are the other kids? Did they go on the roller coaster? Do you like roller coasters? No. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go on the carousel and be safe. Yay! Hi, Brady. We got Brady. Hi, we got Marcus. And we are on the carousel while the big kids go on Incredicoaster. Yeah. If this is located right next door to the Incredicoaster, it's perfect. There's the Incredicoaster up there. So in all my early entry videos where I keep talking about the entrance over by Grizzly River Run, so here is Grizzly River Run, the attraction. This is the entrance to and from inside the Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. And this hotel exit and entrance is for anyone, but early morning in the morning, it's only for hotel guests. And this is where that entrance puts you back inside the lobby at the Disney Grand Californian Hotel. Now you're ready to conquer early entry after watching this video. For tips and tricks how to maximize your time doing early entry at Disneyland, watch this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more Disney content.